Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. And in today's video, I will show you how you can restrict someone on Instagram. I will also explain to you how is it different from blocking someone on Instagram and how you can limit your interaction with someone by restricting their profile. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. Alright, so here I am already on my Instagram profile. Now I will show you how you can restrict someone. So for that you have to go to your profile and to the follower that you want to restrict, or you can even search for the person using this search bar right here. So I'm gonna go to my followers list, and for example that's the person I want to restrict. Now you have to press the three dots at the top right, and here you will get the option to restrict them. Now if you will press that, you will get all the information that what will happen. So it's written that only you and that person can see their new comments on your post. So if from now onwards, if they will comment on any of your picture or post on Instagram, only you and they will be able to see it. None of your other followers will be able to see that comment. So that what happens when you restrict someone, and their chat is now in your message request. So their chat will get transferred to the message request section, and they will not get to know about when you have read their message, and you can even unrestrict them from their profile whenever you want. So if you want to learn more about this process, you can simply tap learn more, and it shows what else will happen. So you will control whether others can see their new comments on your post. So you can control this as well, and you can limit your unwanted interactions with them without having to block or unfollow them. All right, so you don't need to unfollow them to remove them from your list, and you don't need to block them. You can just restrict them and they will see the limited thing that you want to show them. All right, so that's how restriction works on Instagram. And for example, if I'm going to restrict them, I have already restricted them. You can simply unrestrict them anytime by simply pressing this option. All right, so this will get their account unrestricted. So that's how you can restrict any account on Instagram. If you found this video helpful, don't leave without subscribing. You can mention all your doubts and queries in the comment section down below. For more tech related content, you can visit my website, that is GetAssist.net, where I post similar content. For now, I will take the leave. We'll see you the next time.